Hello friend, my name is Ashwani Podar. I study in RPVV Aine Colony and our retail trainer is Kavita ma'am. So today's topic is sales associate service to customer. So first we are going to learn about how many types of customer are there. So first is loyal customer. So these types of customer are less in number but promote more sales and profit as compared to other customer. So these customer revisit organization over time and hence it is crucial to interact and keep in touch with them on a regular basis and invest much time and effort with them. Discount customer are also frequent visitor, but they are only a regular product and brands or they buy only low cost products. So these were discount customers. They only buy low cost products. So other customers are impulsive. So what are impulsive customers? So the customer do not have any specific item into their product list but an argue to buy what they find good and productive at all that point of time. Handling these customers is a challenge as they are not particularly looking for a product and want the supplier to display all the useful products they have so that they can be buy what they like from the display. And the next one is need based customer. So these customers are product specific and only tend to buy items to which they are habitual or have a specific need for them. These are frequent customer but do not indulge in buying most of the time, so it is difficult to satisfy them. And the last one is wandering customer. These customers are normally new in industry and most of the time visit supplier only for confirming their need or product. They investigate features of most prominent product in the market but do not buy any of these or show least interest in buying. So these were five customers types. So these were customer types. And next topic, the feature of good customer service or the 4 P's of customer. So first one is promptness. So what is promptness? A retailer should fulfill his promise by delivering product on time. There should be no delay in delivering the product or in the case of cancellation. So next one is politeness. So politeness here means putting the customer needs before your own. It means consistently being welcoming, using their name, being respectful and interested in the customer. It means listening to them and watching language around customers. Professionalism. So professionalism, all customer interaction should be professionalism. A retailer should demonstrate competence, knowledge and expertise in the field and should avoid demonstrating anxiety, frustration, fear or weakness. Next point is personalization. A retailer should personalize the customer experience. Client appreciate when a customer owner remember their name, their preference, and their unique needs. Personalization should be incorporated whenever possible in the service delivery. It makes client feel valued and increase their loyalty and engagement toward the business. So these were 4 P's of customer service. The next topic is customer service function. The first is customer support, interacting with potential customer, answering their question related to product and services, suggesting information about other products and services. Pre-sale, providing necessary information to customer regarding the products. And next one is marketing. So what is marketing? So marketing is done by responding to the customer effectively, replying to mails, telemarketing, proper management or of marketing, campaign, conducting survey and polling. Next is sales. Sales include physical as well as e-selling. Technical support. Customer require and want different technical support service such as data verification, address update, application support and problem resolution. Social media customer service. It is a strategy of providing customer service through a social media channel like Facebook, Twitter. Through social media channel like Facebook and Twitter, due to potential of high engagement between brands and customer, social media and customer service when handled properly work very well together. So these were customer service functions. And next topic is customer satisfaction. So customer satisfaction occurs when the value of the customer service provided through a retailing experience meet or exceed consumer expectations. Customer satisfaction is a measure of how product and services supplied by a company meet or surpass customers' expectations. So from the beginning we are studying customer satisfaction. So what is the importance of customer satisfaction? So let's study the point. So it indicates repurchase intentions and loyalty. It shows point of discrimination. It reduces customer retain claimant. It increases the lifetime value of customer. It reduces the negative word of mouth. It helps in retaining customer. So these were important points of customer satisfaction. And the last topic is customer retention strategy. So what are the strategy for retention customer? So writing blog for educating customers, sending emails for a special promotion, conducting customer satisfaction for survey promotion, offering personalized experience to customer, setting customer expectations early, using social media to build group of engaged customer, increasing customer retention by learning from the best, and developing questionnaire and conducting survey. So these were retention strategy. So today's chapter is finished. Thank you so much.